In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to invest in the S&P 500 ETF from Nigeria. I will start first by helping you understand the S&P 500. I will explain why you should invest in the S&P 500 ETF and then walk you through how to invest in the S&P 500 step by step. Do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's totally free of charge, and if you have any questions, you can leave a comment in the comment section or join my business and investing community on Telegram. It's totally free of charge. I'll be there to answer your questions, and let's jump right into today's video. Let's go. Now, what are S&P 500 ETFs? The Standard & Poor 500, often referred to as the S&P 500 ETF, is a stock market index that measures the performance of 500 large companies listed on the various stock exchanges in the United States. It is one of the widely followed equity indices and is considered a key indicator of the overall health of the US stock market. You can also say the US economy. The S&P 500 was introduced by a financial service company named Standard & Poor in 1957, making it one of the oldest and most established stock market indices in the world. This index includes companies from various sectors such as technology, healthcare, finance, and more. For your company to be included in this index in the United States, it must meet a specific criteria, including a minimum market capitalization and financial viability. Now, it is important to know that the larger the market cap of any company in the S&P 500, the higher chances it has in affecting the performance of the S&P 500. When you invest in the S&P 500 ETF, you are basically investing in a basket that has various stocks inside of it, meaning that you have a diversified portfolio and you are less exposed to risk because the price movement of one stock in that basket is less likely to affect the overall performance of the basket because other stocks could cover up for your loss in another stock in that basket. I hope this makes sense. If you have any confusion, leave a comment. I'll be there to answer your question and help you understand better. Now, you might be asking, why should I invest in the S&P 500? Well, even though there can be short-term ups and downs, the S&P 500 has a strong track record of delivering positive returns over an extended period of time. Historically, it has weathered various economic recessions and market fluctuations, ultimately showing resilience and growth. As I mentioned earlier, the S&P 500 is a basket of 500 different stocks, so this diversification helps spread risk and reduce the impact of poor stock performance from a single company. It's like having a safety net for your investment. If you are a young person or someone who is still working, the S&P 500 ETF can serve as a long-term retirement savings for you. I'm going to be making a video on the long run on how I am planning for my retirement as a young Nigerian by investing in various asset classes. So do well to smash the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the notification so you get notified once that video drops. Now, I'm going to be showing you how to invest in the S&P 500 from Nigeria with as little as $10, which is around 10 to approximately 15,000 naira. The first step you want to take is to download the application which we are going to be using to invest in the S&P 500, and the name of that app is Bamboo. My link to download the app would be in the description and in the comment section. You can use it and to download the app or use my referral code. I would really appreciate it. Once you have downloaded the app, the next step is to sign up or sign into the application. It is pretty straightforward. I have an account, so all I have to do is to sign into the application. Now, it is important to know that if this is your first time, you need to perform KYC by dropping some details about yourself in the Bamboo app. This is a way for them to know you are legitimate. So let's assume you have successfully been verified on Bamboo. The next step is to fund your wallet. So we click on the account section of the app. Click on the place that says deposits. Click on select USD wallet, and then we put in the amount you want to fund our account with. I want to fund it with $10, or let me just put $11. So I put $11, and then click on deposit $11, and then select the one that says NGN debit / credit Visa. I select it, and then it's going to take me to a page a Flutterwave page where what I have to now do is to put in my card details to fund my account. So I've not been successfully able to fund my Bamboo application. You can see $11, it was equal to 14,199 naira 0.04 kobo. So I'll now click on the place that says okay, thanks. And I have around $28.63 in my Bamboo wallet. I previously had around $17. So for me to invest in the S&P 500, all I have to now do is to click on the place that says invest, and then search for, or click on the place that says S&P 500 ETFs. Click on it. Then Bamboo will basically load all the S&P 500 ETF they have, but the one we want to invest in is the one that says VOO. That's the main one. This is the one that has brought historically brought in the best returns. So we want to click on that VOO 500 and VOO. Then right now the market is closed because I'm investing. This is 4 a.m. I mean, and the US stock market is closed. But once we execute this trade now, once it's daytime and the US stock market opens, this trade will be successfully executed. So we'll click on the place that says buy. Then click on the one that says buy now, and then put in how many dollars worth of ETFs you want to invest. So it's $10. And then we select the one that says USD wallet with our, that's where we funded our Bamboo. So you click on USD wallet and then click on place order. Yes, so our order has just been placed, and once the US stock market opens, we will be able to successfully invest in the S&P 500 ETF. So this is just a short and straightforward way for you to be able to invest in the S&P 500 ETF from Nigeria. Like I said, this is a good way for you to start saving for your retirement. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. Do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and see you on the next one video.